Hey everybody, this is Angela Go of the UAA, and today I'm happy to present to you a summary of our UAA Symposium 2020 that was held on the March 21st this year. So first of all, the topic of the symposium was You as a Catalyst for Change. How can we contribute to climate action and a sustainable future? It was our first ever virtual symposium. It was completely online. And it was really a milestone in UAA history. So the agenda that we had looked like this. We had 3 keynotes in the morning, we had a fireside chat after lunch, and another set of workshops after that. So it was a packed agenda. We had from our corporate partner, C-level speaker, we had someone who came from government advising perspective, so really from a very unusual perspective that we don't see as often in our Unitech network. We also had someone from one of the most famous sustainability startup of the last few years, the Ocean Cleanup, and we had also someone from the research perspective, shedding some light on the science behind sustainability. And last but not least, we had 2 workshops as well on communication. So let's have a look at what happened when we announced our virtual symposium.
This is the response that we had. It was the biggest symposium ever organized by the UAA, with more than 100 registrations and unique participants, and all of them from 20 different generations across the Unitech network.
Let's have a look at what the individual speeches were about and why is it interesting to listen to these speakers.
First speaker was Ian Roberts, and also my boss at Bula. And Ian talked about the importance of business leadership in the fight against climate change.
We followed with Simon Anholt, who is public speaker, government advisory, has given TED Talks, and he gave a very inspiring keynote on why is humanity not making more rapid progress against the grand challenges, and how can we fix that.
So from politics to science, we had the pleasure to host Thomas Elliott, who talked about ecological solution to climate change and biodiversity loss. Thomas is managing director at Krauter Lab at ETH Zurich.
Then we had Lonneke Holjerhoek, who is the COO of the Ocean Cleanup, one of the most successful startups in sustainability. She did a fireside chat about how they are working towards a cleaner and healthier planet.
Then we had 2 different workshops in different breakout sessions. The first one was by Mark Girona, Unitech alumnus from 2013, about different facts and non-facts of sustainability.
Then we had Xander Evangelidis, who is also an alumnus from year 2015, and he gave us an interactive workshop on how can you be communicating your social value proposition and how can you create that.
So after a full day in the symposium with so many people interacting, it was time to close off and walk away with a lot of learnings as well as actions. And of course, we would like to thank our symposium team who stepped up to organize this, and that's Sammy and Lauren, who actually organized a symposium in London at the premises of Loughborough University, but because of COVID, we had to turn it into a virtual symposium, but they spent a lot of effort to organize the best symposium ever. And of course, who knows if we still can have an opportunity to go to Loughborough in the future, but we would really like to thank Sammy and Lauren for their efforts in organizing the symposium. And of course, everybody who was involved, we would like to thank them as well. All our speakers who last minute changed their agendas and also the format of their speeches in order to adapt to a virtual format. We want to thank the Loughborough University for their premises because we were supposed to go there and they were generous enough to open up their space for us. And hopefully in the future, we will be there for a future event. And of course, 2 people that worked also in the background to help us out, Jay, who was helping the symposium team in the background to get speakers, give guidance, but also Karina, who helped us out by going to the March meetings for us with the Unitech office so that we can do the symposium on the Saturday that we planned it for. I would also personally like to thank the whole team of the UAA Council who tirelessly worked in order to make this happen and to convert this symposium in a virtual format and turn it around in a week's time only. So I'm super grateful and super happy that we had a great, successful symposium. And I cannot wait to see you next year at our next symposium. So make sure you don't miss it. And of course, that you will watch the videos of all the amazing speeches that we talked about earlier on because we are releasing them on our YouTube channel. So make sure you check them out and you learn all the insights that we were able to learn at the symposium. Looking forward to seeing you next year.